Hello, guys, and welcome to another video at Voice of Crypto with the Biblon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this channel if you want to be on top of crypto news, TA, and more. So, before we get into any content, I would love to do a quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advisement. So, if you are looking into a financial advisor, you should definitely do your own research. And with that said, let's move into the prices because since yesterday, we saw interesting movements, and I'm very happy and excited to share with you today. Before we talk about Ethereum being a security, I will move into the Bitcoin chart because it is looking very good from the point that we entered yesterday. And we're currently retesting these higher prices, and the price to look out for today is 70,000 USDT. So the reason is, we were longing, like at least I was longing from this level here, from 60 something, and I was pretty confident of this bounce back, even having all this greedy feeling on the market. We all know that it is a lot of money inside Bitcoin related to the outflows. So knowing that, it's just a matter of fact, we have all this massive money that came into the market. It's just not going to deep that strong yet. But however, these kind of movements feel really, really heavy. So the next price to watch today is 70,000. And if you did enter this position, you can do something, and you can just set your stop loss at the bottom of this elephant bar around 65,791. In case if we go down, you will exit with profit. But however, I don't think that we are going to go low on the Bitcoin price. And Ethereum. Okay, before we talk about Ethereum being a security, I want to talk on the TA side. Ethereum also bounced back from the previous level that I've entered this trade around 3,051. So we're currently trading at 3,522, and the next level to watch, it's definitely 3,700 USDT for Ethereum. However, if you did enter this trade, you can place your stop loss right below this hammer, and that would be 3,449. Okay, you always want to leave with profit, and try to risk. Try to manage your risk carefully. That's what we always trying to do. However, we can always buy the dip and sell the top and see what's going to happen next. But overall is looking better from the previous days, and I am very happy. I hope you guys are happy too about the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And let's have a look on the coin market cap today. Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap, it is 2.54 trillion, a 5.92% increase over the last day. So we saw this 5%, nearly 6% increase from 24 hours ago, and we have more of a great feeling on the market today. The Fit and Greedy index, it's currently extremely greed at 82, but like on my personal opinion, not financial advice, I am not bearish yet for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Solana is doing well also. And let's move into the news, the most hot topic of today, which is the Ethereum announcement. The SEC is attempting to classify Ethereum as a security. Report that it is by Cointelegraph. The United States Security and Exchange Commission has issued several subpoenas to companies related to attempt to label ETH as a security. According to March 20 Fortune report, an investigation by the SEC into the Ethereum Foundation could give the Commission regulatory coverage to define Ethereum as a security. The foundation suggested via GitHub that might be under investigation from a state authority. Several US-based companies reported received subpoenas from the SEC requesting they provide documents and financial records related to dealing with the Ethereum Foundation. According to people familiar with the matter, the Commission launched a campaign to classify Ethereum as a security following the blockchain transition from proof of work to proof of stake in 2022. While in the office, the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, has refused to answer direct questions about whether Ethereum qualifies as a security on the Commission's purview. Despite claim Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum and others were not security in 2018. The Commission has approved exchange trade funds, the ETFs, tied to Ethereum futures, but has yet decided whether to approve or deny the spot ETF, Ethereum ETF. Money expert expect a decision by May. So we all expecting the Ethereum ETF by May. If Gary looks slim, it's because he's been eating nothing but his own words since 2018. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and why did I name those for? They were not securities. 3/4 of this market is probably not security. Someone else tweeted. And crypto firm from ETH, one of the few companies to have approval from the US financial regulators as a special purpose broker dealer for digital asset securities, announced in February. It planned to offer institutional custody services for the Ethereum. The decision put the pressure on the SEC to provide clarification from firms seeking to avoid potential liabilities related to certain crypto assets. Should the SEC move forward with regulating Ethereum, it could potentially put the regulator in conflict within the US commodity futures trading commissions. Lawmakers have been attempting to enact legislation to clarify the roles each regulator would take over a digital assets, but no bill has been passed of the time publication. So there is no bill passed yet. We all, that's not the first time that we actually hear about Ethereum being a security. I personally don't think that it is. But however, we are waiting to know, and I am looking forward to see Ethereum ETF, and I think that would bring the price of Ethereum somewhere around 10,000 USD. I will pull up the daily. Let's have a look on a daily so we can see that we have a massive recovery on this previous dip. So it's not looking bearish at all. And if we do manage to close the ETF soon, Ethereum, it's gonna go parabolic, and that is inevitable. It is not very far from an all-time high. However, I'm looking forward to see Ethereum at the all-time high very soon. I don't know if the halving will implicate with the prices either, but one thing is true, for sure, this year we're likely to see Ethereum, flipping out this cryptocurrency market. So I'm very, very bullish on Ethereum. It's one of my biggest holds. And, let's wait to see if that is a security or not. But on a weekly, we also holding very, very well. So big expectations for Ethereum prices. Let's have a look on Dogecoin as well, because I think there is an incredible opportunity on the Dogecoin. So guys, that is the current momentum, the current price on the 4-hourly chart. for Dogecoin. I am expecting Dogecoin to hit the all-time high once more. So 0.20 for Dogecoin, it is coming. If we measure like somehow, this previous movement to the top, that will leave us around 0.2080 to be more precise. But I do think that Dogecoin is doing extremely well. And we saw this massive bump yesterday bouncing from this previous deep, which is very interesting. So if you are trading Dogecoin, let's keep watching together. And, if you're not trading Dogecoin yet, this is actually an interesting, great opportunity for you to enter, as we are just, changing the direction on the 200 EMA. So it's slightly starting to embrace the upside movement on the 1 hourly graph. If you haven't entered yet, it might be an interesting opportunity for you. And then, of course, 0.18, it is the next level to watch on the small time frame, but into the large time frame, 0.20, it is the next target price for Dogecoin, and I'm very happy and excited as well. So coming back to CoinMarketCap, let's have a look on the top losers and top gainers of today and what is trending. Okay, so we're seeing some interesting moves here. First of all, Flocky. Okay, Flocky wasn't doing that great, I remember. But however, Flocky is back here on 24-hour movement with 28.72% to the upside. Although, actually, not familiar with the blockchain or the token itself, but it's up, currently trading at 0.80. Is up 31.97%. Not bad at all. So Casper, I remember mentioning the opportunity on Casper, and Casper is back. It is moving up, currently at 17.62% to the upside. Bitcoin Cash seems to be awakening as well, currently trading at 430.81. It's up 15.96%. Whatever, Dogecoin is coming up, and I am looking forward. I think Doge, it is gonna hit 20. Okay, we're not very far from it. We are currently at 0.15, and we're up 12%.78. I would love to see Dogecoin at 20, as I'm personally holding and longing also. Lido, currently trading at 2.71. It's been up 10.93%, nearly 11%. Pepe was actually on the top one yesterday, but it might just have a slight sideways going on Pepe. But however, it's still here on the top trading once. It is up 10.50%. Phantom currently trading at 1.05. It's up 10.28%. Dog with a hat, here it is. It's currently moving again. I remember that was on a top losers, but I think dog with a hat, it's likely to double as well, but it's currently trading at 2.41 and is up nearly 11%. So we might just want to keep our eyes on dog with a hat. And Jupiter, also an interesting one to have a look on. However, it's up 9.89%. And whatever. So what else? Solana also might be looking for new all-time heights very soon. And I do think that is Zocoin season very, very soon. So what you want to do, if you have missed this previous buys and the dips that we saw yesterday, you want to go to the top losers and start trading them. So today, on the top of all, it is vendor. The price is currently at 11.15 and it's down 3%, 3.47%. on the past 24 hours. So it's not that is that deep, but you do want to look for the downside if you are buying. And optimism, I think this one, it's an interesting one also to be looking at. It's currently trading at 3.47 and is down 1.64%. Let's move on to crypto bubbles. CryptoBubbles.net. Because here we can see things in a different perspective. Okay, so if you press the daily, you see that today the altcoins are moving and it's just green. Basically, it's even hard to see what is red. But if you are looking to make a better long, you come to the weekly and do a better research. Okay, they are likely to move more. So, like one of the top losers today to be potentially long in its bonk. Bonk is down 31.8%. Flocky, it's on a top gainers on a daily, but on a weekly, it's still down. So that it is an opportunity. Dogecoin, I am hoping and very, very excited about Dogecoin. It's down 15.3%. Inch, it's down 23%, so it might be an interesting also to have a look on. Matic, however, I'm expecting Polygon to move, and it's currently 18% down on the weekly. So if you are looking into long, come to the weekly, have a look on the deepest deep, and pick your favorite one, or maybe just go with the TA dog with a hat. On the weekly, still down 23%, so it might pump even further. But of course, you should definitely do your own market research when you are trading cryptocurrencies. But if you do, make the most. All right, so whatever, guys, is looking good today. I'm very happy and excited. Don't forget to subscribe yourself to Voice of Crypto Telegram if you are interested on following everything on the right time. You should definitely join the Telegram. And I will leave the video today. And I hope you guys make the most of profits out there. And don't panic if you haven't catch the pump. There is an opportunity. Go to the lowest one and keep tracking them. Be a little bit patient and don't try to just catch everything. There is money for everybody in this bull run. And I'll see you tomorrow.